I got it. Okay, I'm doing it. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be we're gonna be making a slingshot paper airplane. See, I got this A4 paper. So first off, gotta fold it. So we're gonna cut this part of this piece. Gotta line it up. So now we're gonna open it up and then fold it. I'm gonna fold it like this. Make sure it's good. The lines are equal. Okay, we're gonna fold this corner and then we're gonna fold the other one. Here, I already did that one. I'm gonna line it up with this little line over here. There we go. I'll line it up. Okay, so now we're gonna make another one. Oof. Hard. Come on.
Looks beautiful.
Looks just like his. Okay, now we're gonna fold the spiky piece. There you go, we made the hard piece right here. Ooh, okay, now that's done. Pretty neat, huh? Okay guys, we're gonna do this other piece, so thick right here. Oh my god. Okay, moving on to the next part. Now we gotta get this little red paper. It's 20 centimeter paper. As you can see, it looks very good. And it's also 20 centimeters on each side. You like it? See, little square? Okay, now we're gonna fold this side. Look at it. Looks very good, right? Now we're gonna fold this little part and make it into like this small piece. Next side, do the same thing. Okay guys, now we're gonna fold these sides up. Okay. Okay, that side's finished. This side, put it again. There you go, we did it. It's almost done. We're gonna need a rubber band and a stapler for this part. Now that the rubber band is stapled, you have to put the rubber band over the paper. Okay, almost got it. I don't want to break it. There you go. Like this. See the rubber band? So now we're gonna put the paper airplane in this paper slingshot. Like this, see? Smoothly in, not too far back. When we pull these two little papers...
Bye.
Okay, we're gonna open the paper and it's gonna slingshot this paper airplane to go all the way over there. We're gonna try one more time. Hold on, stay here. Okay, well that attempt didn't work. So we changed the rubber band. Maybe it might work better this time. Oh, it's a little broken. 3, 2, 1, go. Even worse. Okay guys, well that attempt did not work out. And it's literally broken. The wings are broken and they have like poop on it or something. You guys should go try this out. Maybe you can do a little better than me. I don't really know, honestly. These two are hard paper. They're thick paper. And it said that I needed thick paper, but it didn't work out. So maybe next time I can try this again. See you later.
Eventually.
Okay guys, as you know, our last attempt of doing this paper airplane string shot, it was broken and it was really thick, so that's why it broke. This time we got thinner paper and we upgraded to a new rubber band. As you can see, it's not broken or anything. And this time it's gonna turn out really well. So let's go try it out, guys. Okay guys, let's try it out. I have it right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! You're kidding me, right? Okay, take 2. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa. Take 3! Go. A little smooth up. Go! That was good! Oh, I got it. Okay, I'm doing it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, hold on. Give me a sec. Okay. Almost ready. I'm fine. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. No worries, no worries. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
And go?
Mhm.
Other way. Here it is. It's fine. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you want to make it yourself, check the link in the description. And also, it's not that broken. It's just broken. Maybe next time we can try it again. I don't know what's the problem with it. No, nothing looks wrong, but maybe it's just bad. So maybe we'll try a different one in the future. See you guys later. Bye.
Fine.